Welcome to the latest A Course in Business Miracles activation. I am Heather Dominick, creator of BusinessMiracles.com and founder and leader of the Highly Sensitive Entrepreneur Movement. Highly Sensitive Entrepreneurs, or HSEs, are literally coded to be successful coaches, healing practitioners, and creative entrepreneurs. We are everything the world desperately needs right now. Our time has come. And according to the spiritual and psychological teaching of A Course in Miracles, a miracle is defined as a shift in perception, which is exactly what's required for HSE success and what this Business Miracles activation is designed to create for you. So wherever you are, I invite you to allow yourself to be fully present for our time together and this activation experience. Really prepare yourself to receive. Make it a conscious choice demonstrated through action. So, wherever you are, I just invite you to allow yourself to be fully and completely here. Do whatever you need to do. Maybe set yourself up in a different position, in a different place, so that really supports you in releasing that tendency to multitask. And then to really support that decision to be present, I invite you to close your eyes. And if you're somewhere where you can't close your eyes, and just take a moment to turn and focus inward, pulling down that inner shade. And together, let's take in a deep breath. Deep breath in, and let it out. Really just feeling the luxury of that oxygen coming into your lungs. And again, deep breath in, and let it out. Feeling that breath just moving right down your spine. And again, deep breath in, and let it out. This time, just allowing that breath to travel all the way down to the tips of your toes, really grounding you into the earth beneath you. And then with your eyes closed, just continue to breathe deep. Really feeling yourself coming into your body, and feeling yourself coming into this moment. And as you really connect in with your breath, once again, just feeling through the bottoms of your feet, just a moment to really ground into just where you are. And invite your head to follow that energy line. Feeling the energy of your head and perhaps the racing monkey mind to just release, like beans being spilled out from a jar. Just let it go. And let that energy of the mind just travel down through the body, through the heart, through the core center of self, through your solar plexus, into your legs, into your feet, and into the ground, into the earth below you. Really allowing the earth to just take all of that potentially crazy energy of the mind. Just let the earth just soak it up. Let the earth hold you and tether you and support you in being present, really truly being here right now. And through that grounding down, then there is a true opportunity for opening up. The feeling again, your feet grounding into the floor and the earth beneath you, and then feeling that energy of the earth, powerful centered energy of the earth, and moving up through your legs, your knees, your thighs, your hips, into your center of self, into your heart. And then feel that energy of centeredness supporting your heart and just opening wide, opening up to the unknown, and feeling safe opening up to the unknown. Feel that same energy of centeredness then flowing up from the heart into the head, into the mind, feeling the mind opening. Space that's been created by the release of the monkey mind beans Now just safely filling with just open energy. So a real openness of mind and a real openness of heart. A willingness to consider the possibility of being in your business and your life in a different way, of doing in your business and in your life in a different way. Feeling the mind, again, safe in the openness and the heart safe in the openness. The grip has been released. The door has been opened. And light is flowing through. And together, let's take in a deep breath. Deep breath in. And let it out. Beautiful. Allow your eyes to come back on open. Pull up that shade on your inner eye. And feel yourself present and ready to receive. My intention is that this business miracle activation creates a powerful perception shift for you, a business miracle. And from here, if you often find yourself stuck in the HSE shadow of analysis paralysis or plagued by business worries, doubts, or fears, I'd like to share with you my free Business Miracles tool that unlocks you and supports you in transforming your limiting beliefs in less than 5 minutes a day. This is a quantifiable tool that I personally use to transform my limiting beliefs, and now you can easily use it too. All you need to do to download this powerful free tool for yourself is go to www.businessmiraclesbtt.com. That's businessmiraclesbtt.com. Other than that, leaving you with many blessings for the rest of the day, week, into the weekend, and until our next Business Miracles connection.